Okay, guys, I call this to meeting. We are looking for Clyde Scott Binney, age 45, goes by the name Mad Dog. He was in the war in Afghanistan. He's a dangerous man. He has killed people. He has the license to kill people. He has murdered several hundred people. And now he's loose. And we need to get him dead or alive. I repeat, bring him in dead or alive. There is $100 million bounty on whoever can bring me the head of Mad Dog. Well, ladies, as they say, turn out the lights, the party's over. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. Because all the time you have is for all the money I have. And I don't have that much money left. Okay, Clyde. Don't move. I have a gun. I will shoot you. Clyde, I haven't heard that name in years. Who are you? Don't worry about me. Just know that you have a bounty on your head for $100 million to bring your head on a silver platter back to my boss. Dead. Not even alive. They want me dead for $100 million? Can't they at least let me live? No. Now come with me, or I will kill you and drag your carcass back in myself. Okay. You're the boss. Where are we going? Well, I'm gonna go see if we can't get us something to drink. Now you're talking. Whiskey? Beer. Well, I'm a whiskey man myself, so alright, let's go get us some drinks. This might be the last drink I'll have before I die. Before I go, can I at least do one thing first? What's that? Ooh, 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 ow, eesh, ooh, ow, eesh, ooh, ow, ooh. Move along, come on now, move. All right, boys, kill him. Is he dead? Yeah, he's dead. And with the fire, what's left of the body will burn up in the fire. Okay, good. Here's the $100 million like promised. Thank you. They think they got rid of me that easily. They don't know that I switched bodies with the guy that had the gun to my head and sent him into the bar. You can't get rid of Mad Dog that easy.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be.